as we step into 2026, we pause to reflect on an inspiring year of progress and look ahead to what comes next. Together with our global partners, Lanoptik continues to advance microscopy imaging through practical innovation, trusted performance, and meaningful impact across education, clinical care, and industry. Over the past year, Lanoptik Wi-Fi interactive microscopy systems have been deployed across the world, including the United States, China, Thailand, Russia, Kazakhstan, Brazil, and beyond. These solutions are empowering interactive classrooms, modern research laboratories, and professional training environments with seamless wireless imaging. Lanoptik systems are increasingly adopted in universities and teaching hospitals, supporting disciplines such as basic medicine, pathology and histology, veterinary science, geology and materials science, forensic and applied sciences. By extending microscopy beyond traditional labs, we help educators bring learning into new environments, from forestry and fisheries to field-based research. Our 830 series and MC4K Pro cameras continue to support ART and reproductive medicine workflows worldwide, serving leading clinics in Thailand, Spain, the UAE, and more. In clinical imaging, accuracy is everything from color fidelity and consistency to long-term reliability. The Pixit Zoom Series 4K digital microscopes have gained strong momentum in industrial inspection and rapid quality control. Designed for manufacturing, metallography, and materials research, these systems enable fast on-site decision-making without compromising image clarity or workflow efficiency. This year also marked significant growth in our global distributor network, with Lanoptik solutions increasingly trusted worldwide. At the same time, our presence across LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube continues to expand, connecting professionals around the globe. In 2026, we are taking microscopy even further, making imaging faster, smarter, more connected, and more visual than ever before. Lanoptik's upcoming 6th-generation Wi-Fi platform will power the next wave of connected microscopy products, delivering faster and more stable transmission, higher device density support, lower latency imaging, expanded spectrum performance, more devices, more throughput, a smoother imaging experience. We are excited to introduce several new products and technologies, including AR2020 sensor microscope camera with 20MP high-resolution imaging, a new 4K touchscreen display platform for inverted microscopes, enabling more intuitive clinical workflows, an embedded fluorescence module, designed for compatibility with major microscope brands. Innovation continues across our advanced imaging portfolio. The upgraded BD1601 comparison microscope, optimized for precision, stability, and consistency. High-performance camera platforms built on leading CMOS sensors, including IMX6A, IMX586, IMX283, and AR2020. Lanoptik remains committed to delivering practical, reliable, and globally connected imaging solutions supporting education, ART, industrial inspection, and scientific research. Thank you for being part of our journey. See you in 2026 with even more innovation ahead.